Hi, I'm your host John, and today we're covering NEC Article 250.6, subsections A and B, Objectionable Current. What is it? It is a current that would not normally be found, which is a hazard. And how does it occur? It usually occurs when a metal object that is not required by code to be grounded is grounded to a main power source. If there is a fault in the main power feed and goes to ground, then every item grounded to that source becomes energized. A key word here is potential. Take, for example, that you have an iron fence, as you see in the diagram, that surrounds a yard with a pool in it, or a rain gutter, as you can see to the right, that directs water to a drainage area. These do not have to be grounded and should not be grounded unless they are within 5 feet of a pool, spa, pool equipment, service equipment, or the main panel. Now think about it for a second. Why would you ground items that would not normally have any potential to conduct electricity? A very good exemption can be found in Article 250.24, subsection A.5, also known as load side grounding connections. Without going into fine print, it basically says that load side items with no potential do not need to be grounded, like rain gutters and wrought iron fences. However, if a question like this is phrased in a contractor's test or NEC test, Article 250.24a, subsection 5, is a good reason not to ground these items. In a nutshell, objectionable current occurs when items that do not require grounding to the main power source are grounded. When in doubt, use common sense. Only ground to the source when there is a potential that objectionable current can originate from the line side of an electrical device or panel. And that concludes Article 250.6, sections A and B of what objectionable current is and how it can be prevented. Thanks for watching and have a great day.